Dano Americano. That's me. Hello, everyone. Hey, was that another egg?
Yes.
I think I heard one. Did you see it?
Yes.
Dude. It was another flying egg. Let's see if we can't get it to come back out. Come on. Perfect. Yeah, check it out. Another flying egg. Let's play the egg game.
Yes.
I'll crack it, close my eyes, you can see what's inside, and I will ask you some questions about what it is, okay?
Yes.
Great. Let's crack it. Oh, very good. All right, it's cracked. I am going to cover my eyes with a blindfold. All right, I cannot see anything because my eyes are covered. Now you say open and the egg will open up. Say open.
Open.
All right, good. Can you see what's inside?
Yes.
Okay, good. I cannot see anything. All right, let's close the egg back up. You say close. Say close.
Close.
All right, very good. Is the egg closed?
Yes.
Yes? Sure?
Yes.
You are sure?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to take off my blindfold. All right, now that you know what it is, I will ask, is it a dinosaur?
No.
Toaster?
No.
Pear?
No.
A chair?
No.
A cat?
No.
A cell phone?
No.
Computer?
No.
Guitar?
No.
All right. Okay. Is it something that you can eat?
No.
No. Is it something you can drink?
No.
Juice?
No.
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 Okay. Is it a part of the body?
No.
Eyes?
No.
Ears?
No.
Shoulders?
No.
Okay. Is it a musical instrument? Something that makes music?
No.
No. Is it a piano?
No.
Yeah, it's a musical instrument. I know. Okay. Is it something you use for writing, like a pencil?
No.
A book?
No.
Something used for reading?
No.
Glasses, maybe?
No.
Is it something you wear? Can you wear it?
Yes.
Okay. Is it a shirt?
No.
Is it pants?
No.
Is it glasses?
No.
You already said it. It's not glasses. How about a shoe? Is it a shoe?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Super. All right, let's open the egg back up. Say open.
Open.
Yeah, cool. That's a shoe. Say shoe.
Shoe.
Super job. All right, let's close the egg back up. Say close.
Close.
Very good, and we'll get the egg out of here. All right, very good job. If you want to do some more stuff, check out some of these videos.